Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll embark on a journey to cultivate joy and tranquility within our homes by inviting the gentle embrace of nature indoors. Just as we carefully select items that spark joy in our lives, choosing the right plants can bring a sense of peace and harmony to our surroundings. It's not just about adding greenery, it's about creating a space where both you and your plants can thrive. So let's explore 5 fantastic plants, each with its unique personality and benefits. We'll delve into their needs and preferences, ensuring they feel cherished and appreciated in your care. Remember, a happy plant contributes to a happy home. Our first guest is the resilient snake plant, also known as Sansevieria. With its striking sword-like leaves reaching towards the heavens, it embodies strength and resilience. This plant is a true minimalist, requiring minimal care and attention. It thrives on neglect, making it an ideal companion for busy individuals or those new to plant parenthood. But don't let its low-maintenance nature fool you. The snake plant is a powerhouse of purification, filtering toxins from the air and promoting a sense of well-being in your home. Next, we meet the graceful spider plant, with its cascading foliage resembling a fountain of green joy. Its vibrant green and white striped leaves bring a touch of airiness and light to any room. This plant, much like the spider that shares its name, is incredibly adaptable and resilient. It multiplies with ease, producing baby spiderettes that dangle playfully from the mother plant. These spiderettes can be easily propagated, allowing you to share the joy of plant parenthood with your loved ones. Imagine gifting a piece of your thriving green haven to brighten someone's day. Chapter 3, the elegant peace lily, a symbol of serenity. Let's now welcome the elegant peace lily, a symbol of serenity and tranquility. Its dark green foliage and graceful white blooms evoke a sense of calmness and peace. This plant is not only visually appealing, but also acts as a natural humidifier, releasing moisture into the air and creating a more comfortable living environment. However, the peace lily, much like a true emblem of peace, prefers a calm and stable environment. Avoid placing it in areas with drastic temperature fluctuations or drafts, allowing it to maintain its serene presence. Chapter 4, the healing aloe vera, a balm for body and soul. Now, we turn our attention to the healing aloe vera, a plant revered since ancient times for its medicinal properties. Its fleshy leaves contain a gel known for its soothing and healing properties. This plant is a true testament to the interconnectedness of nature and well-being. Not only does it purify the air, but it also offers a natural remedy for minor burns, cuts, and skin irritations. Imagine having a source of natural healing energy right at your fingertips. It's like having a miniature apothecary within your home, ready to provide comfort and care. Chapter 5, the versatile pothos, a cascade of verdant beauty. Finally, we meet the versatile pothos, a plant known for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves. It's like having a waterfall of verdant beauty cascading down your bookshelves or windowsills. This plant is incredibly low maintenance, tolerating a wide range of light conditions and watering schedules. It's like a loyal companion, adapting to your lifestyle and bringing a touch of nature indoors. And just like true friendship, the pothos thrives on connection. Its vines can be easily propagated, allowing you to share its beauty and create a sense of continuity throughout your home. Outro: cultivating joy, one plant at a time. As we conclude our journey into the world of indoor plants, remember that bringing nature indoors is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a space that sparks joy, promotes well-being, and fosters a deeper connection with the natural world. Just as we carefully choose items that spark joy in our homes, selecting the right plants can bring a sense of peace, harmony, and vitality into our lives. So, embrace the joy of plant parenthood and let your home bloom into a sanctuary of greenery and tranquility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on creating a beautiful and healthy home environment that sparks joy.